Hi there and welcome to JCB Tools. My name's Adrian and I'm going to share with you our new range of space heaters. I really like these things. Obviously bright yellow JCB unit, really good quality. So very simple to use. This is the mid-range size, I believe. We have an on-off switch here at the back, thermostatic control. This would be the set temperature in this LED here, which tells us what temperature we're asking the room to be, and the temperature in the room itself will be displayed here. So simple as, I'll switch it on. I've set the thermostat really low at 5 degrees. Obviously the room at the moment is warmer. It's at 19 degrees just here. So if I turn the thermostat up, it'll kick in. And I'm going to turn it up. You'll probably lose my voice for a minute. To above the 19, you'll hear it kick in. When the room temperature gets to that, it'll cut back out. So it saves fuel, not having a room ridiculously hot. So here we go. And off it goes. So as you can see, really simple to use and will run on red diesel. That's the JCB Space Heater. This is the middle size of the range.